Ma'am, papanap lang po ng meat.
I want that one.
They're different?
Yeah.
Oh, wait.
The banana.
Ito.
Maganda nga ito. Garlic. Garlic.
Dali yung sushi. Yung avocado. Is there seaweed inside? Avocado.
Yata may nipis.
Gusto yun yung avocado?
Na.
Mama, tita.
I don't think they have avocado. You want rice?
Kimba. Only the two.
Dali natin eh.
Kimba. I want that. No, I'm wanting that.
Sky, give me the other one. No, the other one. The other one. Bigyan mo sila mami mo.
Hindi mo naman na ako pincha.
Hindi, sabihin mo.
Oh, good. I want to try the pizza. Yeah, I want to try the pizza. Oh, yung big kimbap. Ang kimbap.
Wait lang.
Ito ka.
Oh.
Let's play, okay? Mommy, I want to do this.
You want to eat ito?
Doesn't have this something.
You want to sausaw here?
No.
Nandun sa maliit na lagayan. Yung pabilog kanina.
I'm sure you will be yummy. There's seaweed.
This is seaweed, Marla, this one.
Yes,
It's seaweed and rice.
No, no.
Try that.
I want kimbap. I didn't get.
Look, ka, hi. Relax.
I'm cooking.
Ah.
Chef niya, chef.
Okay.
Ganda talaga yun. Ano lang nila, no? Para
Laptop ka niya nga, no?
Mga yata, ma. Oh.